Hello, everyone. The information and analytical service is in Guru.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. Let's look at each parameter in more detail a little further. If necessary, you can pause the video. We suggest that you study each indicator of the company in question more closely. We will analyze the main fundamental indicators of the corporation with you. General Motors Company, ticker GM. This review is based on current information as of August 8, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets Corporation General Motors Company belongs to the subcategory Autoprom. 11 companies take part in the analysis. The overall result for the company is as follows: 3 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 0.1 points. If you look at it very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 3-point rating for the company General Motors Company. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares, General Motors Company, and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the stock's General Motors Company showed a dynamics of 32.6%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 8.4%. Market capitalization of the company General Motors Company amounts to $50.42 billion. With a market capitalization of $493 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is $66.33 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $531 billion. Having compared the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we will see the following. Occupied share General Motors Company in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 10.234%. The book capitalization is 12.498%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $136.013 billion. Debt to book value is 205% of capital. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's stock market value to profit ratio is 7.7. Average in subcategory 11. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $6,531 million. The projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $9,250 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.3. Average for the subcategory is 0.5. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $187,640 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $242.79 billion. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 3.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.4%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 13.458%. which is 32% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $311,000, and in the subcategory $409,000. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $40,300, with an average in the subcategory, $37,200. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,158,000. In the subcategory, $845,000. Revenue per employee rating compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 2%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.4%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 54% for the company General Motors Company. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 50%. The company's current share price is around $52.94. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $56.51. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the Evaluation Information System, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment of the company's securities, General Motors Company. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets. A decision has been made. Do not open an order, as the current video is a review. A huge thank you to everyone for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.